At Leatherman, the inspiration for our newest tools didn't come from here, or here, or even here. It came from a place where the meetings often start a little after sunrise, where the only paper being pushed has holes in it, and where this is what it means to dress for success. That's how we created a whole new type of Leatherman tool. Leatherman pocket tools, designed and built to do the jobs that outdoor sportsmen need done. There's the cam, 4 essential tools with bits specifically for bow hunting and archery. The pump, for maintaining and adjusting all types of shotguns. And the rail, designed to help you get the most from your AR-15. They're lightweight, easy to carry, and built with the same toughness and utility you've come to expect from a Leatherman. Leatherman pocket tools. Real Leatherman, designed in and for the real outdoors.